Now, there are cases where you need to change a file, but you still want to maintain that SHA or that hash. So usually the thing that you want is the version. You don't want to change the contents of the package. You want to change. But UPack has a feature exactly this. It allows you to change the version of the package without altering the hash of the file. So it's still cryptographically verifiable. It's just an actual release version. And this commonly happens when you go from a pre-release to a full release. So we had 1.0.1 beta or alpha or RC out there in the wild, and it's ready to go. Now we want to make that the official 1.0.1 package, but we don't want the hashes to change. And I love this illustration. So you see that we have beta, which is X34A, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We need that to be the same when the package goes full release. Let's walk through an example and see if we can do the same thing in our environment. So I have my code. I'm going to go into my manifest. We're going to create 1.0.2-beta. We're going to then pack it. I'm going to publish it. Actually, I probably don't need to publish it, but we're going to publish it anyway. So you can get used to the publishing workflow. So what do I call it? Beta 102 beta. Yep, I got the file name wrong. Oh, it's still a 1.0.2 UPack, but it's beta underneath the scenes. All right, so that's published. Let's go back over here to ProGit, take a look at it. We'll see that is currently uploaded. So 1.0.2 beta. Now what I want to do is that's a hash assigned to it. 836, blah, 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 blah. Now, if I went through and I changed that version myself, which I could technically do, let's go into the UPack. Let's edit that file. UPack was modified. Let's update it in the archive. Let's do a UPack hash on current time 1.0.2. Now it's a different hash, which is not what we want. That's bad. All right, let's recreate our package again. So I'm working with a good square. So let's say this is now 1.3 beta. We're going to recreate it. We're going to repush it. Slide back over here. All right, so that is published. Let's come over and take a look at it. All right, 1.0.3 is installed. All right, 4cc, that's the SHA. Now, what I want to do is I want to convert this. So UPack, I'm going to do this from memory, so likely I'm going to screw it up. We want to repack. All right, so repack, here's all the information about repack. We want to repack current time, 0.3. I want to give it a new version. We're going to give it 1.0.3. I think I should do those in quotes. There we are. And I'm going to say overwrite just in case. Yep, I'll go and do overwrite. All right, so I updated. Let's do a hash of current time, 1.0.3. Not has, hash. What should happen is that this hash, just updating the version, should be the same hash. Right. Moving on. Repackaging any